Tired of juggling multiple apps to manage your calls, texts, and contacts? Today, I'm going to show you how to link Superphone to Zapier and automate your communication workflow. First, log into your Zapier account and click on the Create Zap button. This will kick off the process of building your automated workflow. Next, search for Superphone as your trigger app. A trigger is the event in another app that will kick off an action in Superphone. After selecting Superphone, you will be asked to choose a trigger event. This could be a new call, a new SMS, or something else. Select the trigger event that best fits your needs. Now you will need to connect your Superphone account to Zapier. Click the Connect a New Account button and follow the instructions to authorize Zapier to access your Superphone data. You'll likely need your Superphone API key, so make sure to have that handy. With Superphone set as your trigger, let's choose an action app. This is the app where something will happen based on the trigger in Superphone. For example, you could choose Google Sheets to automatically log every incoming call. After selecting your action app, choose the action event. If you selected Google Sheets, the action event might be to create a new row in a spreadsheet every time you receive a call in Superphone. Now, it's time to customize the action. Map the data from Superphone to the fields in your action app. This tells Zapier which information from the Superphone trigger should be sent to which field in the action app, like the phone number and time of the call. Finally, test your Zap and turn it on. With this integration, Superphone and your other apps will work together, automating your workflows and saving you time and effort. Enjoy.